alaikum. My name is Lut. Today I'm gonna read you a story called The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, there was a lion who ruled the jungle. One day, the lion fell asleep under a tree. A tiny little mouse saw the lion under the tree. He thought it would be fun to play on him. He ran up and down the lion. He ran up the tail and slid down the tail. Suddenly, the lion woke up. The lion was very angry. He grabbed the mouse with his huge paw. The mouse struggled and struggled, but could not escape. The lion opened his big mouth to eat the tiny mouse. "Forgive me, my great king. Please don't eat me. Maybe someday I can help you." The lion laughed. "Ha, ha, ha. You little mouse can help me?" He thought it was so funny. He let the mouse go. "Thank you, my great king. I'll never forget your kindness." Few days later, the lion was walking through the jungle. Out of nowhere, a net caught him. It was a hunter's trap. The lion tried to get out of the net, but he couldn't. The lion went roaring loudly. It echoed through the jungle. The mouse heard the lion roar. He went quickly to the lion. He saw he was trapped in a net. "Don't be scared, my king. I'll set you free." He bit open the net with his sharp teeth. The lion was free. He hopped around joyfully. Now the lion realized that even a tiny little mouse can help a big lion. "Thank you, little mouse. I shall never trouble you again." The lion and the mouse became friends forever. Jazakallah khairan.